getting students to offer a structured answer in response to a small digestible paragraph that you read them. That paragraph will contain the main point and have supporting details. The student's task will be to identify the main point and support that main point with the supporting details, one cited from the text. This segment will show you how to structure that student response. So here's an example of a small digestible paragraph you can read to students and have them respond intelligently to. Some supermarkets have a special way of getting people to come to bakery counters. Sometimes they spray a cake smell into the air. At other times they spray a fresh smell of baking bread. These smells are enough to make people's mouth water. Then they race madly to the counter to purchase a cake, baked bread, rolls, and other baked goods. Small digestible paragraph. You simply ask them, what's the author's point in writing this? It's the first sentence. It's explicit. Some supermarkets have a special way of getting people to come to bakery counters. The author's purpose or author's point in writing this is to convince us that some supermarkets have a special way of getting people to come to bakery counters. Simple, explicit, first sentence. For example, now they quote, sometimes they spray a cake smell into the air. Further, other times they spray a fresh smell of baking bread. Okay? You can even go on with an also and simply say that then they race madly to the counter to purchase cake, baked breads, rolls, and other baked goods. Okay? So this is a structured response based on a very small paragraph that is enough for them to be able to retain the information. Get them well trained in that structure and then go ahead and apply it to a larger article. Okay, being that they are already trained and they have that structure in their head, they will be able to handle the larger article, believe it or not, by the same principle, by the same format, and it should be successful. Thank you.